Still using a slow or outdated browser? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to install Mozilla Firefox, one of the fastest, most secure browsers available today, step by step. Firefox is known for its speed, privacy protection, and customization. Whether you're on a new computer or just switching browsers, this tutorial will get you set up the right way. Let's jump into it. So first we're going to go to our browser of choice. Then we're going to go and search up Firefox. And it, for me, took me to firefox.com. You just need to type in firefox.com. So you go to download Firefox. Then your download will start. For me, I'm on Mac, so it's going to tell me to allow. You're just going to click allow if you're on Mac. And then when this download is complete, we'll keep on going. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you're just going to drag Firefox into applications, and then when you're done with that, you're going to go and close this, and then also minimize this. Then you're going to go to your launchpad. You should have Firefox. So we're going to load it up, and let's see what this is all about. So we're going to open it, and this is Firefox. So you're just going to click continue, and then you're good to go. You got a very good browser in your hands. Speed, privacy protection, and customization. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This is my first tutorial. I'm here to bring you guys so many more tutorials, and I'm just really excited about this channel. So, see you guys in the next one.